Good morning, children, and welcome to the online teaching session. Students, in the previous video, we have started the new chapter, The Fight, written by Piri Thomas. In that chapter, we saw that there were two friends named as Antonio and Felix, and they were true friends, and both of them were good fighters. They were boxing players and they both have wished to win the medal for this game. They wished or they both had desire to win the championship trophy for boxing. But one day they heard that they have to fight with each other. And that's why these two friends had decided that they will not meet till the game begins. Now, till here we have read in our previous video. And today we will begin with paragraph number 16 and see that what had happened after that. So let's begin the chapter now. Now see, the Amigo brothers hugged each other tightly. The Amigo brothers. The meaning of amigo is Spanish-speaking areas of the USA. Amigo is an informal term for a good friend. A type of friends who are just like the true brothers. They are called as the Amigo brothers. So they hugged each other. These two friends hugged each other tightly. The days in training passed much too slowly. Although they kept out of each other's way, they were aware of each other's progress via the Ghetto grapevine. Now see, the days were going very slowly and the two friends, they were busy in their practices. And they were not at all bothered about each other. But still, both of them were getting the information from Ghetto grapevine. Now see, the meaning of ghetto is, it is an overcrowded area where the poor people live. So, overcrowded place where a special type of community, where the poor people, they can live. And with the help of their rumors, these two people, these two friends, they were getting the information about each other. So, the meaning of grapevine is rumor, a network or a system of rumors and unofficial information. So, unofficially they were getting the information about each other, that what their friends are doing. So, this is all about these two paragraphs. Now come. Large posters plastered all over the walls of the local shops announced the fight between Antonio Cruz and Felix Verdes as the main match, because they were the true friends. So everyone was very interesting and they were taking too much of interest in their fight. So a large posters were plastered on the walls and there was a continuous announcement that now Antonio and Felix, they are going to have a match. The fight had created great interest in the neighborhood. Antonio and Felix were well liked and respected. Everybody liked Antonio as well as the Felix, and they respect these two people. Each had his own loyal following. Now these two friends, they have their own followers. Nowadays, you must have seen that we have followers in some of FBs and Instagrams. Okay, in the same way, but in those days, they were nothing like this Insta and FBs. So, from the crowded area, that is from the Ghetto grapevine only, from the Ghetto's area only, they all have their own loyal followers. The fight was scheduled to take place in the Tompkins Square Park, the gymnasium of the boys club was not large enough to hold all the people who were sure to attend. Now, they were so famous that all those who were going to begin the program, who were the really sponsor of this boxing championship, they have decided that this competition or this match cannot be taken or cannot be held in the boys gymnasium of the boys club, because in that area there is no much space. So they have decided that the boxing match will take place in the Tompkins Square Park. And finally, the Tompkins Square Park was decided to be for their games. Next, in Tompkins Square Park, everyone who wanted could view the fight, whether from the ringside or window, fire escapes or rooftops. Now, in Tompkins Square Park, because it was a big park, so everyone, those who wanted to see the match, they all can come and they can view the fight. Now, from where they can view the fight? They may view the fight either from the ringside. Now, the meaning of the ringside is the area right next to the boxing ring. Just suppose if this is a ring, then surrounding the ring there is an area, and that area is called as the ringside. So, those people who wanted to watch the match from the ringside, they can see the match from there. Otherwise, they can watch the match from the windows, from the rooftops or from the fire escapes. Now, the meaning of fire escape is it's an emergency area for exit. During any accidental condition, there is an emergency area for exit. Now, the people can watch the match from the fire escape, from the roof tops, from the ring sides or from the window. That's why they have selected the Tompkins Square Park, because it was the huge enough. The local junior high school across from the Tompkins Square Park served as the dressing room for all the fighters. Now, this is also clear to you. Just for a match, there is always a dressing room. So, what was their dressing room? It was the local junior high school. The loudspeakers blared into the open windows of the school. Blared. Now, see the meaning of blared. It's to make a lot of noise, unpleasant noise. The loudspeaker made unpleasant noise into the open windows of the school. There were speeches by dignitaries, community leaders and the great boxers of the Easter year. So, there were speeches by the dignitaries. Dignitaries means very important official people. So, as soon as if we begin the program, then first of all we invite the dignitaries. We invite the sponsors and then we invite the last year's winner. First they come, they give speeches and then only the program starts. So the same situation was also there, that at first speech was given by the dignitaries, community leaders and great boxers of the Easter year. Now the meaning of Easter year is recently, last year. This great day was in the tradition of champions emerging from the street of the lower east side. Felix was accompanied from the classroom by a dozen fans in the white t-shirt with the word Felix across their fronts. Now, all those who were the followers of the Felix, they all were wearing the white shirt, and in front of their white shirt, the name of the Felix was written. So he entered into the ring along with his great number of followers, and they all were wearing the white t-shirt along with the Felix on their t-shirt. Antonio was escorted down a different stairwell and guided through a rope of path. Now, Antonio came from the different area, and then through the roped path, he was escorted by his own followers. As the two climbed into the ring, now children see, As the two climbed into the ring, the crowd exploded with a roar. The crowd shouted like the voice of the lion. So the crowd shouted. Antonio and Felix bowed gracefully and raised their arms in acknowledgement. Now see what had happened. As soon as the two friends entered into the ring, everyone, all the crowd, they all have started shouting. And these two friends, they bowed their head gracefully and then they acknowledged everyone. That is, they shook their hand as if they are telling that, hi, I am here. Okay, so they all were taking their wishes. Bong, bong, bong. The roar turned to stillness. As soon as the bell rang, the roar, the crowd, the shout, it turned into the stillness. Ladies and gentlemen, now somebody has started speaking. The announcer spoke slowly. In this corner, weighing 134 pounds, Felix Vargas, and at this corner, weighing 133 pounds, Antonio Cruz. Now see, at one corner, the weight of the Felix was 134 pounds and the weight of Antonio was 133 pounds. So they were standing at one corner. The winner will represent the boys club in the Tournament of Champions, the Golden Gloves. There will be no draw. Now as soon as the match begins, the referee comes first. And then the referee gives all the information about the match. All the rules and regulations about the match. In the same way, at first, the referee entered. He said about the weight of the Antonio as well as the Felix. And then he said that one who will win the match will be the champion of the boys club tournament. And there is no draw. Maybe the best man will. The cheering of the crowd shook the window panes of the old building surrounding Tompkins Square Park. Now see, just imagine the crowd, children. When the crowd started shouting, then it shook the old window panes of the surrounding building near the square park. Like near the square park, there were many houses, there were many buildings, and these buildings had windows, window panes, and when the crowd shouted together, then these window panes started shaking. At the center of the ring, the referee was giving instructions to the youngsters. Keep your punches up. Okay, so these were the instructions. Keep your punches up. No low blows from the lower side. We cannot give a punch. No punching on the back of the head. No one can hit at the back of the head. Keep your heads up. Everyone has to keep their head up. Understand. Let's have a clean fight. Now, shake the hands and come out fighting. Then the referee said that now you two people can shake your hand and then we can start the fighting. Next, both youngsters touched gloves and nodded. They turned and danced quickly to their corners. Like whenever we start the match, people jump at their place. Okay, they take a warm-up exercise. So they started dancing at their own place. Bong bong. Round one. Now bell rang. Round one. Felix and Antonio turned, faced each others in a fighting pose. Felix wasted no time. Now see children, Felix wasted no time. Although they are very good friends, but without wasting time, they all have started the fight. So Felix wasted no time. He came in fast, head low, half hunched. Now the meaning of half hunched is just to bow down their shoulders and bend the body like this. So the Felix bowed down his head as well as his back, and he came forward and lashed out with a straight left. Antonio slipped and punched and countered. As soon as the Felix gave him a punch, Antonio also gave him the counteract with 1, 2, 3 lefts and sent a mild shot, cursing through Felix. If Felix had any doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. Now, as soon as the Felix attacked on the Antonio, all of a sudden Antonio responded. So this means that now they are the true fighters instead of the true friends. Because if it would be late by Antonio, or if Antonio gives low punches, then definitely it proves that these are the these are the friends and they are not fighters. But they did not so. What did they do? They gave a tight punches to each other. Antonio danced, a joy to behold. His left hand was like a piston pumping jabs, one right after another with seeming ease. Felix bobbed and waved and never stopped boring in. Now, this is a normal fight. These two were fighting with one another without stopping. Bong! Both fighters froze a punch well on its way, sending up a roar of approval for good sportsmanship. Now, these fighters, they were really fighting with each other and showing the sportsmanship quality. They were showing that they are the true sports person, because everybody was shouting and praising their game. And that's why this shows that inside the ring, now they are only the sports person. They are true sports person instead of the true friends. Okay? Now, this much is enough, children. Rest we will do in the next class. That is from stanza 30 till the last. Okay? Thank you.